So students, welcome back. Now in this lesson I would like to tell you that how to write any Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic form. In our previous lesson we have done how to write Hindu Arabic to Roman. Now it is our turn to change Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic form, and there is a very small rule or trick which you should learn and you should know how to then you will be able to write the numbers very quickly and easily. Very first, for explaining that, I have taken two examples here. Very first is C, D, X, L, I and X. This is our first Roman number and we have to convert it into Hindu Arabic form. So before starting, let me make a pair here. Here, let's write the values for different symbols. What is the value for C? The value of C is 100. The value of D, it is 500. Similarly, the value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of this I is 1. And the value of X is 10. So very first we have discussed about their values, and as we can see that there is a small value preceding the bigger one. Everywhere in all these pairs, when I will take these pairs, you will see that there is a smaller value to successing the bigger one. So when this case situation is there, so when we move from small to big, small to big, like 100 to 500, 10 to 50 and 1 to 10. In this situation, from smaller to big, we need to subtract. We will subtract. Okay. So for small to big, we subtract the values. So here what I will do for writing the number, I will subtract 100 from 500. So that is 500 minus 100. Then the next is 50 minus, in the second group I will write 50 minus 10, and in the third group I'll write 10 minus 1. Now what is the value for 500 minus 100? So it is 400. Similarly, 50 minus 10, it is 40, and plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Now combining this expanded form of notation to the standard form, and we are getting the value as 449. Similarly, you will see here C and D is representing 400, X and L is representing 40, and I and X is representing 9. Now taking the second one, in which I have just reversed the digit to tell you the second way. Here once again, if I write D represents 500, C represents 100, L represents 50, X represents 10, again an X represents 10, and the I represent 1. Again, if I see making the pair of two values from this side, because it is D and C, L and X and I. Now, if I'll see here, you'll see that there is a bigger number first and a smaller value. So when you are going from big to small, when we get the value big and then the small, then we add the terms. So using the same trick, adding the numbers, so let me add the values here. So I'll add the terms in the group for 100, 500 plus 100, second group 50 plus 10, and in the third group 10 plus 1. In the first case we have subtracted because we were going from small to big value. In the second group we will add because we are going from big to small. Now adding 500 plus 100 gives you 600, plus 50 plus 10 gives you 60, and 10 plus 1 gives you 11. So here when we are getting this value 600 plus 60 plus 11. Since here we are getting 2-digit number at this place, so what we will do, we will add these two numbers here. So our number becomes 600 plus 60 plus 11 is 71. Now write it in the standard form and your number is 671. So this is how you can convert any Roman numeral to the standard form, or you can say Hindu Arabic form.